Insurance scams targeting seniors. How older adults are losing money. Without realizing insurance is meant to protect people during the most vulnerable moments of life. But for many seniors, insurance has quietly become one of the most common ways they lose money. Not because they made reckless choices, not because they ignored the rules, but because scammers have learned how to exploit trust, confusion, and fear, especially among people over 60. Every year, thousands of older adults are targeted by insurance-related scams. Many never realize what happened until months later. Some only discover the damage when a real insurance claim is denied. This is not a story about being careless. It is a story about how sophisticated scams work and how seniors can protect themselves. Why seniors are targeted by insurance. Scammers don't choose victims randomly. They look for people who have steady income or savings, care deeply about security and protection, are polite and respectful toward authority, are less likely to question official-sounding messages. Seniors often meet all of these criteria. Insurance scams work especially well because insurance language is complex. Policies are hard to understand. Fear is easy to trigger. You could lose coverage. Trust is easy to exploit. I'm calling from your provider. The most common insurance scams targeting seniors. 1. Fake Medicare or health insurance calls. This is one of the most widespread scams. A caller claims to be from Medicare, from a health insurance provider, from a new benefits department. They often say, your benefits are changing. You qualify for a new plan. We just need to verify your information. Once a senior provides Medicare number, social security number, date of birth, the damage is already done. Scammers can enroll victims in fake plans, redirect benefits, sell personal information to other criminals. 2. Policy upgrade or better coverage scams. These scams target seniors who already have insurance. The scammer claims current coverage is outdated. A new law requires changes. Benefits will be reduced unless action is taken. Victims are pressured to switch policies, pay adjustment fees, sign documents they don't fully understand. The result, higher premiums, reduced coverage, or policies that don't exist at all. 3. Life insurance replacement. Scams. Life insurance scams are especially dangerous. Scammers convince seniors to cancel an existing policy, replace it with a better one, move funds into a new product. What seniors don't realize, older policies often have valuable protections. New policies may exclude pre-existing conditions. Waiting periods may restart. Many families only discover the scam after a death, when the payout is denied. 4. Fake claims assistance scams. Some scams appear after an accident, illness, or loss. Scammers offer to help file a claim, speed up approval, handle paperwork. They may charge upfront fees, percentage of the payout. In reality, insurance companies do not charge to file claims. Legitimate help comes through official channels. Paying a third party often results in denied claims. 5. Disaster-related insurance scams. After natural disasters, scammers move quickly. They target seniors with messages about emergency insurance benefits, fast-track claims, government-backed payouts. These scams exploit urgency and confusion. Victims may share policy numbers, transfer money, sign fraudulent documents. Why these scams are so effective? Insurance scams don't rely on intimidation. They rely on credibility. Scammers use official-sounding language, familiar terms, calm, professional tones, fake IDs, emails, and documents. They also exploit common senior concerns, fear of losing coverage, fear of burdening family, fear of making a mistake. Most victims say the same thing later. It sounded legitimate. Warning signs. Seniors should never ignore. While scams are becoming more sophisticated, warning signs still exist. Be cautious if someone contacts you unexpectedly about insurance, pressures you to act immediately, requests personal information by phone or email, asks for payment outside official channels, discourages you from contacting your insurer directly. Legitimate insurance providers do not rush decisions, do not threaten loss of coverage, encourage verification. Why insurance scams often go unreported. Many seniors don't report scams because they feel embarrassed, they blame themselves, they don't realize a scam occurred. Others believe it's too late. The money is already gone. This silence allows scams to continue. Reporting matters, not just for recovery, but for prevention. How insurance scams lead to long-term damage. The impact goes beyond immediate financial loss. Victims may experience canceled or altered policies, denied future claims, increased premiums, loss of trust in real providers, emotional stress and anxiety. In some cases, families inherit the consequences long after the scam occurred. How seniors can protect themselves. Protection starts with awareness. 1. Never share personal information. Unsolicited, insurance providers already have your information. They will not call asking for social security numbers, Medicare numbers, full banking details. 2. Verify before acting. If contacted, hang up. Call your insurer using an official number. Ask a trusted family member. 3. Take time. Even if pressured scammers rely on urgency, real insurance decisions. Allow time. Provide written documentation. Encourage questions. 4. Keep insurance documents organized. Knowing what you already have prevents confusion. Review policies regularly with someone you trust. A final message for seniors and families. Insurance scams do not target weakness. They target trust. Being cautious does not mean being fearful. It means being informed. If something feels confusing, rushed, or secretive, pause. The safest decision is often the slowest one. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute insurance, financial, or legal advice.